Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the body movements, chapter number 9 of class 6, subject science. Today I want to discuss about the parts of a skeleton. In the previous video it was discussed by me about the skull and the backbone and rib cage. The rib cage, there are the 12 pairs of thin and curved bones called the ribs, and these bones form a rib cage which protects the heart and the lungs. It is just like a cage. You can see in this figure 9.7 all the 12 pairs of the ribs are joined to the backbone at the back, and the first 10 pairs are joined with the chest bones or breast bone in the front to form the rib cage, and the last 2 pairs of ribs are free at the front and are called the floating ribs. Number 4 is the limbs. There are 2 pairs of limbs. First is called the forelimbs or arms, and second is called the hind limbs, that are the legs. You can see in this figure 9.8 the limb bones. In picture A, it is the arm bones, it means the bones of arm, and in the picture of B, bones of leg. The bones of arms are joined to the spine by the shoulder girdle and the collarbone. Our upper arm has only one bone called the humerus, and in our lower arm there are 2 bones that are called the radius and ulna. The bones of legs are joined to the spine by hip girdles. Our upper leg has one bone called the femur or thigh bone, and it is the longest bone in our body. Our lower leg has 2 bones that are called the tibia and fibula. Number 5 is the girdles. There are 2 types of girdles. First is a pair of shoulder girdles, and second is a pair of hip girdles. You can see in this figure 9.9 A and B. A is the shoulder girdles and B is the hip girdles. The limbs are not joined directly to the backbone but to the girdles, and the arms are joined to the shoulder girdles and legs are joined to the hip girdles. By the skeleton system, by using the skeleton system, our body moves and do our useful work. It gives a perfect structure of our body. Some joints also available in our body, that are the fixed joints, semi-movable joints and flexible bone joints. We can stand, we can move, we can scratch our body by the skeleton system, and our skeleton system is divided into 5 parts, that are the skulls, backbone, rib cage, limb bone and the girdles. That's all for today.